Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap West Vera Corridor local and long distance movers near me. West Vera Corridor local TM movers can give you a smooth and quick relocation because they can plan for the relocation with all factors that affect relocation in that area in mind. They have built relationships with other companies and organizations that can enable them to have smooth operations even when things don't go as planned. Local movers can do a lot to give you an easy relocation, but they are limited. They may not know how to navigate factors outside of their locality, and they may not be certified to operate in certain towns and states. Hence, if you live elsewhere and want to move to West Vera Corridor, you'll need long-distance movers. They have the expertise and experience to plan and efficiently execute the move. They can carry it out smoothly because they are licensed to operate anywhere in the US and can navigate the relocation regulations of different states. They also have specialized materials to keep fragile items safe during the long drive. They also have insurance to save you from dealing with loss and damage yourself. 2 things to look out for when hiring a mover are insurance and fair prices, the latter so you won't spend more than necessary. West Vera Corridor long distance 3 movers and several Florida movers are long distance movers. In addition to local and long distance moving, our West Vera Corridor moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.